Can you use a streaming device while traveling or abroad?
Yes, most streaming devices work internationally, but there are important things to know. Power plugs and internet connections differ by country. More importantly, access to your favorite shows can be affected by your location due to regional restrictions on streaming services. Knowing what to expect and planning ahead helps you keep watching your favorite content when away from home.
Will my favorite apps and shows be available?
Streaming availability depends on licensing rights in each country. Some apps or specific shows may be blocked or show different content libraries when you're abroad. For example, Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video libraries often vary by country. Some apps may not work at all outside your home country. Check your streaming app's international availability before you travel to avoid surprises.
How can I access my usual content abroad?
Virtual private networks, or VPNs, are one common solution. A VPN may let you appear as if you are back in your home country, letting you access your familiar streaming libraries. However, many streaming services actively block VPN usage. Terms of service may prohibit it, and results are not guaranteed. Always use VPNs responsibly and be aware of legal restrictions wherever you travel.
What about power and internet connections?
Streaming devices require an HDMI port, compatible power supply, and a good internet connection. Power plugs and voltages can differ, so you may need an adapter or voltage converter. Hotel or public Wi-Fi may have restricted speeds or require extra setup for your device. Always check compatibility and test your connection before settling in for a movie night.
Tips for a smooth streaming experience while traveling.
Plan ahead for region restrictions, bring required adapters, and research your destination's Wi-Fi. Consider pre-downloading content on your devices if your streaming service and device allow it. Keep all your devices' login info handy and know how to set up Wi-Fi connections. With a little preparation, you can enjoy your streaming content, whether at home or far away.